Oh, race truck? Race truck? No! No!
Dude, the cops are...
We're out here vlogging. There's some serious stuff going on.
R.I.P. Duncan and Phil.
They're not dead. They're not dead yet. No, they just got... Phil and Duncan got in an accident. We're very concerned. Nate is very nervous.
I know, dude.
He has a crush on Duncan.
I do.
We're waiting for him at Dunkin' Donuts right now. We're waiting to hear the good word or the bad word. All we know is there was police and drugs and prostitution. What do you have to say?
I hope my best friend's okay. Because we're lovers, so I'm coming out on YouTube right now.
Look at this car.
Nah, I'm not actually gay. This car's pretty sick.
I want it.
Shout out Kyler 518.
Dave's in the trunk. Yeah.
Get in the fucking trunk.
That just happened. Look this. It's a crime. That's a crime. I will not be associated. Just kidding. It's all good. We're just waiting for Duncan and Phil though. I'm gonna interview him.
What?
When he gets here. See what actually happened. So you locked him in there.
Yeah.
Vlog. Yo, quick update. Duncan's still not here.
He's dead.
There's no other explanation. No other explanation. He's down there somewhere.
My baby boy's dead. Yo, what the f? Dude, put that back, dude.
Hey.
He's touching my triangle, bud. Look at it. He's touching my triangle. Gabe, shut up. Can you put my triangle back, please?
Where's Duncan?
Yo, this dude has a small penis.
No doubt. Oh, dude, sorry about your dick.
It's like, don't talk about my team like that.
Rough. Duncan! Phil Duncan!
I don't give a fuck about Phil, dude. He's gonna watch
dead.
this, dude.
No, he doesn't watch my vlogs. He does? Well, I love you, Phil. Duncan! Race truck lives! Alright! He's alive! Hell yeah, bro! Where's these goons? Yo, tell me what happened out there for the vlog.
Alright, so we had this guy, right? He pulls up to the red light with his directional on. We see no cars coming. He gasses up. So I look over. I'm about to follow him out of the fucking thing. He stops.
Bam!
Just like that. And I was there jerking off the whole
Dude,
time.
you're jerking off? What is he doing? Phil, what's your word? What's your word on it for the vlog? What?
Fuck it, dude. Race truck.
Okay, race truck and care. Well, that was pretty crazy. I'm home now. I think I'm gonna. Hey! But I think, all right. So Joe Santagato gave me the idea. I know this is copying him, but like I really want to try it out because I think it'd be funny. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. I want to do his segment. What'd you say? And basically what it is, it's like requires two people at least. One person wears the headphones, and
the other person tries to speak to them, and they have to guess the saying. The person who's wearing the headphones has to guess the saying.
Yeah, you just say random. Yeah. It's lit. Oh, good baby. It was all a dream. Okay, good.
Arnold just bleached his sheets last night.
Are you? Say it again.
Arnold just bleached his sheets last night.
Are you sipping on shit biscuits? Are you sipping on shit biscuits?
No.
Oh no.
Arnold.
Arnold.
Just.
Shuts.
No.
Sucks.
Just.
Shuts.
Just.
Shuts.
Just.
Just.
Yeah. Bleached.
Bleached.
His
Sheets.
jeans.
No.
Sheets.
Cheese.
Sheets. Sheets.
Cheese.
No. Sheet.
Shit.
No. Sheet.
Shin. Sheet.
Yes. Arnold
Just bleached his sheets
last
night.
Okay.
Forks are not meant for turtle sex.
Say that again.
Forks are not meant for turtle sex. Come on.
Fucks are not given by tape measures.
Okay. Forks.
Fort.
Forks.
Fort.
Forks.
Force.
Forks.
Fork.
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 Are not meant.
Made.
Meant.
Mech.
Meant.
Men. Menk.
Meant.
Meant. Oh, men.
Forks are not meant.
Four dog assholes. Forks are not meant.
For
For
turtle
Girdle.
Turtle. Turtle.
Turtle.
Sex.
Sex.
Forks are not meant for turtle sex.
Okay.
Hit me.
You have a large appetite for a duck.
You have a tough time in the labs. No. In the... Oh, no.
You have a large appetite for a duck.
You have the luckiest split in the forest. You have the luckiest...
No!
Ah, fuck.
You
You
have a
a
large
thart...
large
Large
appetite
appetite
for
for
a
a
duck.
duck.
Yes!
You have a large appetite for a duck. Are you ready? Grabbing asshole is a sport in Germany.
Rabbit casserole.
Oh.
Say it again.
Grabbing asshole is a sport in Germany.
Rabbit asshole sex for a doobie.
Almost. That was close. Grabbing.
Rabbit.
Grabbing.
Rabbit. Rabbit more down.
Grabbing.
Rabbit.
No. Grabbing.
Grab?
Grabbing.
Grab.
Yes. Ing.
It.
Ing. Grabbing.
Grabbing.
Yes. Asshole
Asshole.
is.
Assholes.
No.
Oh, grabbing asshole is
A
a
sport
sport
in
in
Germany.
Germany.
Grabbing asshole is a sport in Germany.
Don't let your mom see this ash pile we made yesterday.
What?
Don't
Don't
let
you
your
muke
your
turtles.
your
Lord.
your
Your
mom
mom
see
see
this
this
ash
ash
pile
pile
we
weekly
we
wheat
we
war we
made
made
yesterday.
yesterday. Don't let your mom see this ash pile we made yesterday.
I thought it'd be funny.
Ash. I'm working on it. Okay, ready?
Alright.
My socks rock the docks more than Crocs.
My socks, your socks in my crotch.
Okay. Well, my socks
My sons,
my socks
my socks,
rock the docks.
rot in hell.
No. Rock.
War.
My socks
My socks,
rock.
rot.
Rock.
Rot.
Rock. Oh,
Rot.
rock.
Rock.
The docks.
They're cocks.
The docks.
Not.
The docks.
They're cocks. They're.
The.
They're.
The.
They're.
The.
Thick. They're.
Oh, yeah. The docks.
They're cocks.
The docks.
Docks.
Guess.
What?
More
More
than Crocs.
Crocs. Yes! You can't bake a cake without using the right shit.
You hate me in the pile of shit. You hate me in the pile of shit.
You
You
can't
can't tit can't
make
make
a
a
cake.
dick
Cake.
tit
Cake. Cake.
cake
Without
without
using.
juicy. You can't make a cake without juicy. Am I right? Am I right?
Using.
Oh no.
Using.
Using
The
the
right
orange
Right. shit.
shit. You can't make cake without using the right shit.
Nah.
You ready? Ready. Rough oral is frowned upon in Washington.
What?
Rough oral is frowned upon in Washington.
3-4 asshole wash it.
Not even close.
That's it.
Rough
Rough it. Rough.
oral.
Order.
Oral. Oral.
Coral.
Oral.
Oral?
Rough oral is
Is
frowned.
frowned.
Frowned. Frowned upon
Frowned upon.
in
In
Washington.
washing.
Washington.
Washer.
Washington.
Washington.
Washington. Washington.
Washington!
That is all. Oh, definitely shout out Joe Santagato. I know he's got almost 2 million subscribers, but he also has a new podcast channel. So yeah, go subscribe to that. Message to my 20 viewers. Oh, also I want to try to do like a little outro for myself. So like